A young Imam in the Satkeria region of Bangladesh has been swimming to his masjid every day since the last 2 weeks. After it got flooded, the Gulab cyclones hit parts of the South Asia countries. Hafiz Muinul Islam, the Imam of the masjid, said that after the masjid got flooded, there was no other way to get to it, and it had become unreachable. Ilmfeed.com, a London-based website, said that the masjid had become unreachable until Imam Hafiz Muinul Islam had arrived. He told the website that he was worried about the masjid being left without worship. The young Imam reportedly goes to the masjid by boat and swim when the boat is not available. He said that he is doing this to make sure that the call to prayer, the azans and salah took place. Salah is the obligatory prayer that Muslims perform 5 times a day. Imam Hafiz Muinul Islam told Ilmfield.com that the masjid was flooded 2 Fridays ago and that he has been doing this since then. As this is a masjid, I cannot abandon it. So up to this day, I have called azan and offer prayers at the masjid for the sake of Allah. Imam Hafiz Muinul Islam told Ilmfield.com that the masjid was flooded 2 Fridays ago and that he has been doing this since then. This is a masjid. I cannot abandon it. So up to this day, I have called azan and offer prayers at the mosque for the sake of Allah. He said that 1 or 2 worshippers come for the prayer. However, 4 out of 5 times he prayed all alone.